Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the laziest ways to make money online for beginners. Look, we all have those days where we just want to chill, maybe in our PJs binging Netflix, but then that little voice in our head pipes up and reminds us of the bills that need to get paid. If you're looking for easy and effective ways to earn some extra cash without much effort, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First up, we have online surveys. Now, I know what you're thinking. Surveys? Really? But hear me out. These are super easy to do and can literally be done from the comfort of your couch. Picture this. You're in your PJs, cup of coffee in hand, catching up on your favorite YouTube videos and simultaneously earning money by just sharing your opinion. That's the beauty of online surveys. Companies across all sorts of industries, from tech giants to clothing brands, are eager to get inside the minds of consumers like you and me. They want to know what we like, what we don't like, what we're interested in buying, and they're willing to pay for that valuable information. Think about it. You're already scrolling through social media, reading articles, and browsing online stores. Why not get paid for sharing your thoughts while you're at it? There are tons of legitimate survey sites out there, and we'll be diving into some of the best ones later in the video. Now, I'm not saying you're going to be rolling in dough just by taking surveys. Let's be real, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. But if you're consistent and dedicate a little bit of time each day, it can definitely add up to a nice little side hustle income. Imagine having an extra $100 or $200 a month just from sharing your opinions. That could cover a few dinners out, a tank of gas, or even a chunk of your monthly bills. The key to maximizing your earnings with online surveys is to sign up for multiple platforms. This increases your chances of qualifying for more surveys and earning more money. And don't worry, we'll hook you up with some of the highest paying survey sites later in the video. So if you're looking for a truly passive way to make money online that requires minimal effort, online surveys are a great place to start. Stay tuned, and I'll show you exactly how to get started. Next on the list is cashback apps. We all shop online, right? Whether it's for clothes, electronics, groceries, or even just ordering takeout, it seems like everything these days can be bought with a few clicks. But what if I told you there's a way to actually make money back on those purchases? Cashback apps are like secret weapons in the world of online shopping. They give you money back, real cash, for purchases you were already planning to make. It's essentially free money, just for being a savvy shopper. Here's how it works. You download a cashback app, browse through the available offers, and then make your purchase through the app. The app tracks your purchase, and after a short waiting period, you get a percentage of your money back. Imagine buying a new pair of shoes online, and then a few weeks later, you get a notification saying you've earned $10 cash back. It's like getting a little bonus just for shopping. The beauty of cashback apps is that they're incredibly easy to use. Most of them integrate seamlessly with your existing shopping habits. You can even set up notifications so you never miss out on a cashback opportunity. Now, the amount of cashback you earn will vary depending on the app, the retailer, and the specific offer. Some apps offer a flat cashback rate, while others offer higher percentages for certain products or during promotional periods. The key is to find an app that aligns with your spending habits and offers cashback at your favorite stores. And don't limit yourself to just one app. It's a good idea to have a few different cashback apps on your phone so you can always maximize your earnings. Remember that coffee maker you've been eyeing? Or that new book you've been meaning to buy? With cashback apps, you can treat yourself and get rewarded for it. It's a win-win situation, selling unused items from clutter to cash. Let's be real, we've all got stuff lying around the house that we don't really use anymore. Maybe it's clothes that no longer fit, electronics that have been replaced with newer models, or maybe it's that bread maker you swore you'd use but now just collects dust. Well, guess what? That clutter can actually be a gold mine. Selling unused items online is a fantastic way to declutter your living space and make some extra cash on the side. Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Craigslist have made it easier than ever to turn your unwanted belongings into someone else's treasure. And the best part is, you set the price. Think about it. That old smartphone you have stashed away in a drawer could be worth a significant chunk of change to someone on a budget. Or maybe you have a vintage record collection that a music enthusiast would be willing to pay top dollar for. One person's trash is another person's treasure, as they say, and you might be surprised at what people are willing to buy. Listing your items is usually a breeze. You take a few pictures, write a brief description, set your price, and voila! You're in business. You can choose to sell your items through auctions or set a fixed price. Auctions can be exciting and potentially lead to higher profits, while fixed prices offer a more straightforward approach. And don't forget about the power of social media. Sharing your listings on your own profiles or in relevant buy and sell groups can significantly expand your reach and attract more potential buyers. So before you toss that box of old clothes or that dusty camera into the attic, take a moment to consider its earning potential. You might be surprised at how much extra cash you can make by simply decluttering your home. Affiliate marketing, earning passive income by sharing what you love. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is where things get really interesting, especially if you're passionate about a particular niche or have a decent following online. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting products or services that you love and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Think of it like being a digital influencer, but instead of getting free products, you get paid every time someone buys something based on your recommendation. Here's how it works. You sign up for an affiliate program, choose products or services that you genuinely believe in, and then start sharing your unique affiliate link with your audience. This could be through social media posts, blog articles, email newsletters, or even just casually mentioning it in conversations. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it's a truly passive income stream. Once you've put in the initial effort of creating content and sharing your links, you can continue to earn money even while you sleep. The key to success with affiliate marketing is to be authentic and genuine in your recommendations. People can spot a phony from a mile away, so it's crucial that you only promote products or services that you truly believe in and that align with your values. Another important tip is to focus on building a strong, engaged audience. The larger your reach, the more potential customers you have for your affiliate links. And don't be afraid to get creative with your content. You can write product reviews, create video tutorials, share your personal experiences, or even host Quanda sessions to engage your audience and drive traffic to your affiliate links. Freelance gigs, turning your skills into side hustle success. Last but not least, let's talk about freelance gigs. If you have any marketable skills, whether it's writing, graphic design, web development, virtual assistants, or even just a knack for data entry, there's a good chance you can find freelance work online. Freelancing has exploded in popularity in recent years, as more and more people are seeking flexible work arrangements and the freedom to be their own boss. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer connect businesses and individuals with talented freelancers from around the world. You can create a profile, showcase your skills, set your rates, and start browsing through a vast database of freelance gigs. One of the best things about freelancing is that you have complete control over your schedule and workload. You can choose to work as much or as little as you want, and you can set your own hours. It's a great way to earn extra income on the side or even transition into a full-time freelance career if you enjoy the flexibility and independence it offers. The key to success as a freelancer is to deliver high-quality work, meet deadlines, and build strong relationships with your clients. Word-of-mouth referrals are incredibly valuable in the freelance world, so it's important to always strive to exceed your clients' expectations. And don't be afraid to niche down and specialize in a particular area. This can help you stand out from the competition and command higher rates for your services. So if you're looking for a way to monetize your skills and enjoy the freedom of working from anywhere, freelancing might be the perfect side hustle for you. And there you have it, folks. 5 of the laziest ways to make money online for beginners. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you, your interests, and your schedule. Whether you're looking to earn a few extra bucks each month or build a sustainable side hustle income, these methods can help you get there without having to quit your day job or sacrifice your precious free time. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring these options today and see how much extra cash you can add to your bottom line. You might be surprised at what you can achieve with a little effort and a lot of laziness.